Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to claim a red packet in Binance, right? So first up, go ahead and open up the application or the Binance app. Now, once you're in here on your dashboard, just go ahead and go to the top left, tap on the three horizontal lines. Okay, tap on it, and once done, go ahead and scroll down a bit. And under recommended, we have more services. Okay, just tap on it, wait for it to load, and once it loads, scroll down a bit once more. And here under common function, we have pay. All right, so just tap on it, wait for it to load, and then once it loads, you can go ahead and tap on next right here. Okay, it's a tooltip. If not, just go ahead and tap on skip. And then what you got to do next is just go ahead and tap on red packet. Okay, tap on red packet. And then once it loads, you can now go ahead and tap on receive right here. Okay. And after that, all you got to do next is just go ahead and enter the red packet code. Say, for example, this one. Now, once that's done, set on claim, wait for it to fully load. And after that, it says here, your friend sent you a red packet. Red packet has been successfully claimed or fully claimed. That's basically it. So you might be asking, where does it go after you claimed it? Okay. Well, the crypto will be added to your funding wallet. So you can just go ahead and go to your funding wallet right here under your assets and funding. Okay. As you can see here, I have my free dusk from red packet. That is how you claim red packet here in Binance. Well, I hope this video helps. I'll see you in the next one.